How to reverse a payment on the Capitec app. Step-by-step guide. Reversing a one-time payment. Step 1. Open the Capitec app and log in with your PIN. Step 2. Tap Transact on the bottom menu. Step 3. Select View Transaction History to display recent transactions. Step 4. Scroll to locate the payment you want to reverse. Step 5. Tap the transaction to open the details. Step 6. Look for a reverse or refund button and tap it. Step 7. Follow any on-screen prompts, such as selecting a reason, and confirm the request. Reversing a debit order. Step 1. Go to Transact, then tap Debit Order. Step 2. Enter your PIN to access debit order details. Step 3. Choose the specific debit order and tap Dispute. Step 4. Select a reason for disputing and agree to the terms.